paint on this is super cool. Love this color. Killer color. The all black interior, full leather. It's definitely a quick car. Really clean. Love the gloss black accents. Paint's killer. Got some good tires on there. Full front clip PPF paint protection film. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 42,992 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens and gauges, buttons, all that good stuff, that is just in camera. That's not in person. Non-smoker, full front clip PPF paint protection film on this. Really, really nice car. Already has the window tint on it, all weather mats. You're not gonna hear it probably in camera, but it definitely has that little turbo flutter at the end. Sounds really good. I'll see if I can't pick that up somehow. I don't know if you heard that or not. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Just looking around the car, you can tell how clean it is. It smells good in here. All of this is in great condition. Alignment feels good. All the buttons are nice and clean. Sunroof works. Got the carbon. Shift's perfect. Very fun car to drive. Of course, you got your paddle shifters here. No complaints of drivability whatsoever. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car does have PPF paint protection film on it, or clear bra. The entire fender, the entire hood, headlights, and the full front bumper. And that also includes the gloss black trim there and that little splitter. You also have it here on the side mirrors, in the door cup there, and on that door edge. Now this is probably on there from brand new, so it has aged. So the reflection is not as nice as when it was brand new probably. So you're gonna get that kind of milky look. With that color though, it kind of hides it pretty well. You're not gonna really see that transition so much, but it has aged. Good thing is it's been there and it's protecting that paint. So if you want it perfect, you can remove that and have new film applied, and that paint is probably really pretty underneath. Here on that wheel, you have some light rash. That's a pretty easy fix. Got the Bridgestones, date code 2022. Overall though, that wheel looks good. Fender's nice and clean. You do have these little scratches, but that has PPF on it, so it's probably just in the film. A-pillar looks good. Making our way down the door. Looks nice. That looks good. Here on this wheel, overall in great condition. Date code on the tire, 2022. A couple little scratches here and there. Just typical wear for the year and miles, but nothing out of the ordinary. I don't see any big gashes or anything. Headlights crystal clear. Like I said with the hood, probably is out in the sun a lot, so you're gonna have some of the sun damage on the film. If you remove that, it'll be nice and clear underneath. Front's all protected. Gloss black accents on the grille, looks super good. It's a really nice front end. Fender looks good. Overall, the wheel looks nice. For the year and miles, she looks really good. Typical swirls, you know, kind of from everyday washing. Little flaws here and there. That wheel looks good. I love this paint. This color is really, really cool. You also have film on that back edge protecting it. So if you see that line right there, that's what that is. It's on that full edge. It's in great condition though, it looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You have the full leather seats with the beautiful stitching. That looks amazing. You have the carbon around the center console and across the dash. You can see it here on the doors as well. Looks good. Alcantara all on the panels. Looks nice. That's a very clean door panel. Looking at that trim, looks awesome. I don't see a bunch of scuffs and scratches. That looks really good. Love the floor mats. Bolster looks nice, great condition, very little wear. Got your sunroof here on the steering wheel. Once again, great condition. Buttons are nice and clean. Automatic headlights. The screen looks good. Heated seats, push button start. You do have auto start stop. You can turn it off right there. Parking sensors. Beautiful console. Love the carbon. Great condition in here. $42,991 miles. Any of the flickering you see here, that's just in the camera, not in person. Upper side looks good. Dash is in great condition. You have your different drive modes. When you hit individual and dynamic, it opens up that exhaust, sounds a little bit better. Nice and clean in here though, very well taken care of. Here on this door panel, you can see the light on the ground. You got the Alcantara, nice and clean. Love the carbon. Leather looks good. That trim is nice and clean. Floor mats look good. Logos are nice. Bolsters in great condition. A couple little marks. I think these might be kind of in the leather themselves. Probably even from the factory. The rest of that looks good. Full leather. Nice and clean. And check out the carbon. All the way across. Upper side of the dash looks good. Got the sunroof. This side looks really nice. Here on that back right panel looks good. Got the carbon and Alcantara. The trim is clean. Floor mats look awesome. I mean, these seats look incredible. Love the pattern. Stitching looks nice. Got 2 USB ports and a 12 volt. There's your climate control. Seat backs look good. Scanning through the engine bay here, you can see it does not have that cover on it. I'm just gonna get in here and look around the best I can. Perfect opportunity to see all this without the cover. And not seeing it in the trunk, so I imagine it does not come with one. Underside looks good there. Now this plastic piece right here, it looks like the clips are broke. Yeah, that one little guy right here is broke, so it needs a new clip, and then that would snap in. Here in the trunk, looks like you got your owner's manual. There's your spare tire, and then you have these little nets you can lift up and put stuff in there.